So now we've got the colours, we are going to start. So I love these colours. This purple, beautiful, right? This pink, and this blue. Alright, so we're gonna start by just
colours. I'm gonna pick this blue and white. So the combination is blue and white.
I'm gonna probably pick this pink and maybe this green.
Okay, so let's get started. So now we've got our colours. We're going to start by a 2x2. So I'm going to start with my pink and blue. Nice combination. And let's get started, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so first we're going to take any colour you like to start. So like I'm going to start with my pink. And we're going to twist it onto our fingers. So put it on one of our fingers and then twist it and put it on our middle finger. Like that. And it's twisted, see? Twisted. Alright. So now I'm going to take my blue and just simply put it over. Don't put it under the pink. Just right over there. Just choose that comfortable spot where it doesn't like stretch on your fingers too much, and yeah. So see, I've got the pink twisted and then the blue not twisted just above it. Has everyone got that so far?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So now we're gonna start by pulling the pink up. This will be our daily routine. So it's just gonna carry on like that. We're gonna keep adding those colours and just like keep on pulling the bottom one up to the top.
Oh, and you always look at the top to see what colour you put on next.
Yeah, so you can either look here and see what colour that is and then just put that colour rubber band on next. Or you can look at this and do the opposite if you know your pattern. Alright, so now I'm gonna take another of these neonitic pinks and just put it above that blue. Alright, now we're gonna put the blue and we're just gonna say goodbye. There we are. Now we're gonna take on the other side that blue and just say goodbye. Alright, now I'm gonna take another blue. Everyone doing alright?
Yep. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to take another of these blues and just simply complete and do again that routine.
Oh, by the way, I'm doing a different one.
Oh. Alright, so now we're going to take that pink from under and just say goodbye and goodbye. Alright. So this is what you're making so far. Pretty cool, right? Now I'm just gonna speed up a bit, and just to make it a bit quick since this is a bit boring. So pink, flip the blue, blue, flip the pink, right. And then now we're going to put a pink on because we're missing the pink, and flip the blue. Now we're going to take a blue, flip the pink, and since I'm going a bit faster, getting to do this quickly, I'm already here. Where are you, friends?
I guess I'm just here.
And you? She's doing it with her toes. Nice way. Right, so we're just going to keep flipping it over and over again. Now it's blue's turn to come onto my fingers. And flip over. Now it's Pink's turn. And comment down below if you're doing alright or any questions. Don't care, just type them down below. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Right, so now nearly done. And don't forget, if you don't understand, you can rewind the video all the way back to the start and just pick up the tips that you don't know.
Oh, and also, I have this thing. Well, like, you have to, like, if you don't remember or you need a bit more time, you just can pause the video. Like, it's simple. You don't have to, like.
So mine's done. Just fits into your bracelet, fits all sizes. I would say go for, if you're my hand size, 17 bands. It's good.
Yeah, if you're my size, maybe go for 20.
And if you're mine, I would say 18.
More from you.
So, nearly done.
So we're just gonna do a quick fast forward in video. Just gonna be in pause for a minute. Okay, we're finished. We'll put this video down in the link.
Alright, so we're back and we finished our bracelets. Tell us if you like them or not. We don't care. Tell us if you don't like them, be honest. And tell us why. And make them better if you like. So we're going to say goodbye for now and maybe do the 3 by 3 a bit later.